सकणफणे जो उज लागलो हांगा सोंसड्यार ते आनीकूय दाखोवन दिता की मारगांव म्युनिसिपल कावन्सिल जे सांगपा म्हळ्यार डबल इंजीन न्ही ट्रिपल इंजीन सरकार म्हणटा ते भाशेन हो तिसरो डबो इंजिनाचो तिसरी इंजीन आनीक सोंसडो सॉल्व जायना इतली सामकें फ्रस्ट्रेशन जाता सांगपा म्हळ्यार कित्याक इतले पयशे मोडून क्रोर्स ऑन क्रोर्स ऑफ रुपीज मोडून अजून पासून तेंच्यांनी सोंसडो सॉल्व करपा जायना सोंसड्या इश्यू सॉल्व करपा जायना आनी सोंसड्यार जात कितें वेट वेस्ट वयता हांगा प्लांटार काकोरा आनी ड्राय वेस्ट हांगा बेलिंग आहा ती देखून फूल न्ही नेसाय वयता क्लिंटन वाज तागेले हातून शेडींग कितलोसो मोर देन हाफ वेस्ट थंय वयता आनी उरलो आहा तो हांगा येता बेलिंग आनी तें सुद्दां तुमच्यान मॅनेज करपा जायना लॉज बरें आमकां सामको म्युनिसिपालिटीक सांगपा म्हळ्यार इतले सामके व्हडले व्हडले महारथी लिडर सपोर्ट करता आसतना हें कित्याक जायना हे कोणाल पयशां सामकें लूट चलता हांगा ड्राय वेस्ट सांगपा म्हळ्यार हें तुमच्यान सॉर्ट आउट जायना तें जाल्यार नॉट द फूल क्वॉन्टिटी थोडी क्वॉन्टिटी आहा ती हेर आहा ती तुमी वाडान लासोवन उडयता आनी तितलो ती क्वॉन्टिटी लेस करपाक सो हेसलेस हें मिसमॅनेजमेंट चलता ऑफ वेस्टाचो मॅनेजमेंट म्हणटा नाच हांगा जाल्यार आतां आमी परतून हायकोर्टाकूय एपील करपाक सोदता की हायकोर्टा सुद्दां ते दिशाभूल करता मिसलिडींग स्टेटमेंट्स दितात मिसलिडींग अफिडावीट दितात की हें करपा जाय तें करपा जाय म्हणून आनीक टेंडर करून घेतात शेड्स बांदून घेतात पूण त्यो यूज जायना पूण कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट दिवपाक आनी कमिशन घेवपाचेच तितलो प्रकार चलता हांगा क्रोर्स ऑफ रुपीज मोडल्यात थिंगा शेड बांदपाक फॉर वेट वेस्ट विंडरो सिस्टम आहा ती आनी ड्राय वेस्टा सेग्रिगेट सगळे भाशेचे कितलेशे क्रोर्स मोडले पूण ते थिंग अक्षरशः यूजच जायना कित्याक वेस्ट आहा ती सगळी भायर वयता मडगांवची भायर वयता ही थोडीशी आहा ती सुद्दां ताका मॅनेज जायना सर आतां बेलिंग मॅशीन लासले सो आतां फाल्यां आनी घेवपा पडलें त्याच लुगाराचेर पयलीं ट्रान्सफॉर्मर आशिल्लो तो ट्रान्सफॉर्मर लासलो आनीक नेली 35-40 लॅक्सा सुमार तो लास्ट टायम हें जाल्लो खर्च आशिल्लो तेज्या पयलीं हांगाय बी उज लागून कितलेशे डस्टबिन्स बी लासून गेल्ले हे कोणाच पयशांचे तुमी विबाड करता आमी मागता आमी एपील करता वी एपील टू द ऑनरेबल हायकोर्ट they are even misusing the court to get their things done they are frauds through the court so we appeal to the court to please look into this seriously they had given a timeline to the honorable high court listing out the things of works that had to be executed at Sonsado the shades for windrow system the bailing shades all full list of this thing which was worth crores of rupees and each file was marked as high court urgent and by making use of this high court honorable high court they tendered the works they executed the works but they are not put in use so for what reason did a high court agree to such things secondly another most important part because tomorrow we may come to know that high power committee has not held a meeting first of all high court should also pull up the high power committee which is functioning without any authority it is headed by the chief minister of Goa this high power committee has no role whatsoever as on today's day this high power committee was set up only to supervise and monitor the plant of Fomento, what Fomento had put. Once Fomento's contract is over, once Fomento has gone out from there, this high power committee has no role whatsoever to play. So we demand that the High Court question this, the council and the government for that matter, how the high power committee is being chaired by the Honorable Chief Minister without any amendment. If you want to continue with this thing, you bring an amendment to the committee that was constituted. You all enlist list of works, crores of rupees worth of tenders, and for a shortcut method, you all put it before the higher power committee and get them tendered for commission purpose. Nothing else, no other purpose is solved. So I demand that the government and the chief secretary for that matter, we had even written to the chief secretary and the chief minister, highlighting that the high power committee is invalid. The chief minister has no right to convene meetings of the high power committee. It was only, and very specifically it is there in the order when the committee was formed, it was to monitor the plant that was set up by Fomento. Fomento is out, so the committee is also out. They have no right to make use of this committee to get their thing. आपली जी कारस्थान चलोवपा खातीर ही हाय पावर कमिटी यूज करपाक कसलेच तांकां रायट ना. हे सगळे फ्रॉड चलता हाय पावर कमिटीच्या नांवान.